Well, it's always nice when you see women in jewelry. I think a woman looks the nicest when she's adorned with diamonds or anything precious. I think it's always splendid, and I'm really glad that I could wear these stunning pieces of art, let me call it that, as opposed to saying jewelry, because, and I think Entice has done a fantastic job. I'm really happy that I could wear something that is so exquisite. I feel, what can I say, like $1,000,000 in it. My first piece of jewelry that I picked up. Wow. I don't really remember, but I remember my mom giving me jewelry, and that's something I still have. But I think jewelry that I actually, picked up during my wedding, I think that's something which I really hold very close to my heart, because at the end of the day, that was something that I bought for myself, and I could wear it during my wedding time. So yeah, I think that piece is still very special for me. Well, you normally don't really associate jewelry and men, but I think the few pieces that they wear on a sherwani or something, I think that looks really royal, looks really regal, and if you can carry it off, then great. And of course, I mean, when you have Bapida wearing jewelry for over the years so much, once in a while I think the guys can afford to wear a bit here and there. I think given my frame, I'm really petite, so I generally always go for very, very tiny, very subtle pieces of jewelry. But when I saw this, I said, I have to wear that. I think that's so, it's a statement, it makes a statement, and I think it just stands out. You don't really need anything else, it speaks for itself. So yeah, I think for today, I just felt this was perfect.